What's up everybody, it's Muhammad from Product Feedback, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Steelseries 6G version 2 Pro Gaming Keyboard. Make sure you have subscribed in order to be updated when the full review of this keyboard comes out. The first step is to slide out the keyboard from its packaging. Opening the box, you are presented with the Steelseries gaming keyboard along with some other content. The first thing I noticed is that the keyboard is actually quite heavy, which is a good thing for a gaming keyboard. Accompanied with the keyboard is a Steelseries manual and some other relevant information. You also get a Steelseries sticker, and thankfully you also are given a USB to PS2 adapter. The 6G doesn't offer any height adjustments, however the keyboard is designed in a way that it's angled slightly upwards. What differentiates this keyboard to others is the fact that it's mechanical, and we'll be looking at that in the full review later. This has been Muhammad with the quick unboxing of the Steelseries 6G version 2 gaming keyboard. See you all in another video. To be updated on the latest product feedback videos, make sure that you have subscribed.